Welcome back, traders. In this video, I'm going to be doing the total analysis of how I was able to catch this particular trade that ended up giving me like 1:20. And then if you share this particular trade, I've made a video about this before it even play out. I think the markets are around this place. You can check the video out. I did the analysis before this particular moment ended up playing out. And then right now, price going towards what our direction. You can see price is here to get our TP. Even though I'm expecting some pullback here in this particular order block here. If you go to like the later time frame, you're going to see the order block. The later time frame, can you see I'm expecting something like a pullback here, but see yet I'm still expecting price to get what our take profit and all those stuff. So let's just go back to like our 4-hour time frame. So on 4-hour time frame right now, I'm going to like to be showing you guys how I was able to catch this particular trade. 4-hour. So on 4-hour time frame, I'm just like to be showing you I was able to catch this particular trade. I mean this particular trade that ended up giving like 1:20, and then I called this moment yesterday, and then I'm going to like to be showing you the simple strategy that I make use of that ended up giving like 1:20. And also my mentorship program is up right now for people that want to learn from me, that want to learn the strategy and every single thing. I was able to like be catching all this particular trade, making 1:10, 1:20, 1:30. This one is 1:32 right here, but it's here to play out. And then this one is 1:20. I caught a trade there. I think it ended up giving like 1:15. And then this bearish moment, I caught a trade. I've deleted it because it has been long right now, so that's just for that. So I will encourage you, you to join this particular mentorship. Don't miss out this great opportunity. It's going to be amazing a month and 2 weeks of leisure every single day training, except on Sunday. I don't take classes on Sunday. Then after the mentorship, you guys are going to practice every single thing I've taught you on the demo account. So once you're profitable, once you're making all this ratio 1:20, 1:30, 1:10 and all those stuff, then you can start trading it on a live account. So it's so simple, you understand. The major thing for you just like to understand the market. Once you understand the market, this thing is going to look very easy for you. It's going to look very, very easy to like to catch a trade, because you know the reason why price out to get to a certain level. You know the reason why price out to like to move up. The reason why price, you're not expecting price to go below a particular region. So that's just for that. And then I will encourage you to join this mentorship. It's going to be amazing training a month and 2 weeks for people that doesn't understand much about trading. And then for people that understand a little bit about trading, it's not going to take time, because after taking some few steps, you guys can start trading on what a demo account, and then after you're able to like, understand the full market, then you can start trading a live account. So that's just for that. So let's just go into the video. I was able to catch this particular trade. I wanted to do a video about this yesterday, but I was like a little bit very tired, and then I couldn't make video about it. It happens around the London session. And then price end up taking my take profits this morning around 2 a.m. in the night. So let me just go into the video right now. So let me just I don't want to delete these things. I don't want to delete this first trade because it's here to eat my take profits. What should we do right now? I think let me just use another broker. These are Oanda. Let me use 8cap. So I love using Oanda or 8cap. So this so I still have the same setup here. So this is the trade I was talking about, and then you can see it here. This one should 10. Sorry, this one should 10. This one should 10. Let me use this one. So right now, this is a new broker right now. So let me just do the analysis. I was able to like to catch this particular move. And then it's so easy, very simple, because every single time you see this thing occur in the markets, you also can take advantage of it and then catch the same move, you understand? So checking the market, you can see that price end up breaking this particular high here. Can you see this particular high? And also this particular high. So making this particular order block what is strong order block. So we have what is strong order block here. And then you can see that price don't get to the other block just because of the fair value gap above it. We have fair value gap here. This is the low, and then this is the high. So this is the reason why price don't get to the other block. So every single time we see another block and then fair value gap above it, it's advisable for you to add like 50% of the fair value gap plus your other block, and then to enter into the trade. Let's make use of our Fibonacci retracement to measure like 50%. So I'm gonna add 50% with our entry. So if you move it higher, if you move it up, so this is where 50% is. Can you see the 50%? So you're going to move what our other block to this 50% region. So you're going to delete the Fibonacci retracement. So right now, I've deleted the Fibonacci, and then you can delete this fair value gap line. So you can see that price eventually tap into the other block, and then the fair value come together, and the price kept on going on a bullish trend. So I can't enter into this particular trade. The reason because this other block is very big for me, and then if I have to enter into the trade, at the end of this, it's going to be game like 1:2 or 1:3. So I'm not a kind of trader like that. I love seeing trade game like 1:10, 1:15, 1:20, and so on. So what I did, just like I went down to like this 4 hour time frame. Can you see this 4 hour time frame here? Then I went down to like 2 hour time frame to see what is happening there, because price has already tapped into what this particular order block, taking out this particular low, and then what are we expecting? We are expecting what a bullish trend. So right now I see this thing occur here. Can you see? Price was going what after price tap into this particular order block, and then it started going what on a bullish trend. But price not break this particular high here. Can you see this particular high here? Price not break it. So this particular price not break it. So what's responsible for this particular moment is this particular low. So this low right now is what a liquidity is going to turn to liquidity automatically, because the high did not break anything. So any single time you see that price not break anything, the low that is responsible for that, or the other blow that is responsible for that, is what automatically a liquidity. You're not expecting price to respect it. And also if this moment end up breaking this particular high but not break this high, it's also a liquidity. Or the price end up breaking this high and also this high, that is when you can make use of the order block. So that just the two strategy is so simple. It's so simple. Let me just come again. If price this moment here, if you end up breaking this particular high, so this low is still what in liquidity. You expect the price to go below it, and also in this moment not break anything, you expect the price to go below it, and then expect the other block below it. And also if price end up breaking this high and also this particular high, this is what I was expecting before the price is going to like to break this particular two high at the same time, so I can enter into the trade using the other block provided, but price not break this particular high and also this particular high. So I was expecting price to break it, but price not break it. So that is just for that. And then every single time you analyze that price going what's on a bullish trend and the price not break any high, so just make use of the low, because price is going to take the low out. And then if you have to check this particular session, is doing a New York session. So let me just turn on my session. Can you see it's doing what's New York session, and then this occur doing all this liquidity occur doing Asia sessions. So I'm expecting price also to take out Asia low. All this low here is what Asia low. So during London session I was expecting that, and then it's eventually upward, and then I know the reason why price have to like to kick this particular low out, because this I am just done off my session, because this I did not break anything. So I'm expecting price to tap out this particular low and then start going what's on a bullish trend. So I didn't see any other block here. Then I went down to like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, sorry, 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I didn't see any other block that price going to like to come down to retest. Then I went down to like 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes I saw this particular order block, then I make use of this particular order block. Can you see? Then I draw it out that this is where price is going to come through, this way price is going to come to retest, and then I set my entry below this particular low. That price is going to like to stop all this particular low, because this I did not break this particular high, and then I was expecting it to break this one and also to break this one, so I can make use of the other low, but price did not do that. So I have to like to use the other way out, and then the other way out is just like price taking out this particular low. And also it was during London session, so price tap into this particular order block. This is where I set my entry, and then I'm expecting price to take out this low. You can see that price end up taking the low out here. You can see that price end up taking the low out here, sorry, this particular low. Let me just reduce this so you can see it here clearly. So this particular low, I was expecting price to take this particular low out. Immediately I set what my entry using the 15 minutes block. The 15 minutes block, I didn't add the week, so use this 15 minutes block, and the price and then price tap into what my entry, and then start going what's on a bullish trade. So that just the simple way I was able to catch this trade. And then I set my take profits using this 4 hour time frame. So if you check 4 hour time frame, I see that price going to this particular direction. So price going to take out this particular high, then I set what my take profit here. You do have inside the trader understand price go what's on a bullish trend, the price going to go above this particular area, but I just want to leave the market early and then to secure that particular profit. So that is the reason why I send my take profit here. You can see that price end up tapping into this small order block and then get it to this particular area. So it ended up giving like 1:20, and then so that just I was able to like to catch the move. It's so simple. The strategy is so simple. So let me just do a little bit recap using this particular area here. Can you see that this moment here, as price was coming all the way period, this moment from this bullish candle to this low, it ended up breaking only this particular low. So this high is not a strong high. Price is going to go above it. That's how I was able to like to catch this bearish movement that you saw the other time. So the strategy is just simple. Once price end up breaking one particular low, make sure all the other block above the high or above the candle. Understand? Because price is not going to respect that particular order block. So and then if price not break any particular high, just make use of the other block also below it. You understand? So if price end up breaking out two particular low or two particular high, two particular low or two particular high, make use of the other block is a strong order block. So that's just for that. So you have to understand that higher time frame is stronger than lower time frame. That is why I see that a lot of people are missing it up. For you to get more insight about this, join my mentorship. Is going to be a very great mentorship. You really love it. You really love it. So you're going to be learning a lot of things like how to like to be cashing all this move, and then how to understand the market much better, the reason why price is doing what it's doing. For example, some retail traders are going to draw a line like this. They'll be expecting price to retest this particular place, and the price will start going what's on a bearish direction. Meanwhile, all these things are liquidity. I've made a video about this. So join my mentorship. You're going to learn all these things. They are very simple, and then you're going to understand the market much better. The reason why price is going up, it's not just because people are buying the market. It's algorithm that control the market. So you have to understand the algorithm much better, what the algorithm is really looking for. Every single thing you're going to learn in the mentorship is going to be a very amazing time with me, and then it's going to be every single day training. So you're going to learn all these things. And then the reason why you see that a lot of traders feel challenges or a profit just because of lack of money management. Just imagine this particular trader end up giving like a what is trading, say you just like use 0.5% you risk 0.5% of your account. You're going to make like 10% reward. So what are you doing right now? Go to the description right now and then message me for the mentorship. So if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and that is the only way you can support me, and then you can support this channel. So see you in my next video.